Hello guys, what is up? It's Mace. Welcome back to Blazed and Glazed, and welcome to a classic ass, fabulous ass, yes, thrift with me. Thrift with me, thrifting extravaganza. It is getting to be fall, barely here in LA. It is still so hot outside. It's literally gonna be 96 today, but we are ignoring that and we are channeling all the fall vibes today. So I've been in like a serious inspo hole lately when it comes to kind of like what I'm feeling like vibes wise for fall. I've been doing a lot of like pinning on Pinterest, but I've also been doing a ton of like digging through my vintage magazines. This is one of my favorites right now. This is Rolling Stone with Drew Barrymore on the cover from 2000. Literally, it's not even just the spreads in here that I'm finding inspiring. It's like all of the ads. I'm so obsessed with like late 90s, early 2000s ads right now. They're just like so hot and fabulous. Anyway, like I said, we're going thrifting today. I'm so excited. I feel like good ass thrifty vibes in the air. I haven't been to the Goodwill and Savers that we're going to today in a really long time, and I know it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. First, we need to get ready, and then we are going to have a little chat about the sponsor of today's video, which is Whatnot. You guys know I'm in the middle of a 3-month partnership with Whatnot. I absolutely love them. I did my first sale on Whatnot last month. We raised a ton of money for Beauty to the Streets, which was amazing. Everything, it's like auction-based style. We'll talk about it in a minute, but everything starts at $1, and the one I'm having this week is on Wednesday, 5 p.m. PST. It's gonna be such a bop to the mother effing top. I am so excited, but I'm gonna show you guys a couple of pieces. So let's go to my bedroom, or maybe I'll bring them in here. Then we'll go to the thrift, but I'm gonna show you some of these pieces that I'm auctioning off because you guys are gonna look hot in them. Okay, I grabbed a ton of the stuff that's gonna be in the Whatnot sale. Like I said, honestly, it was so much fun last time. Even if you don't plan on like coming to buy anything or like get anything from the auction, it was just fun to like hang out with you guys and chat for an hour. But I have done such a massive closet clean out that I've been doing over the past couple of months just to kind of rid my wardrobe of stuff that doesn't fit me anymore. As a lot of you guys know, I'm in like very active eating disorder recovery. I have been for quite a few years now, and I've just come to a place where my body is changing and rearranging and doing its thing. I just turned 30 and a lot of my clothes don't fit me anymore, and that's okay because like I always say, we do not shrink ourselves to fit back into the clothes that do not fit us anymore. We just simply thrift new hot clothes, or we get them from each other on Whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Okay, what should we start with? I just have like so many cute things sitting in front of me. First of all, this denim maxi skirt that is Tommy Hilfiger and has this big slit down the front. Literally so hot, love it so much, but it is a little too tight on the bootay, if you know what I'm saying. This amazing like tube top, I wish this fit me, but it's just like the smallest bit too small. Honestly, I can zip it up, but it's like a can barely breathe type of top, which I'm not trying to, you know, do when I'm trying to live my life, eat french fries, do my thing, shake my booty. Can't do that when my clothes are too tight. So this is a really great top. It's White House Black Market originally, which I love. I love thrifting clothes from like brands like I used to see like my mom shop at when I was younger. My mom would always like go to White House Black Market during their sales. Okay, this shirt, I love this shirt, and someone has to snag this for fall. The tag says gotta have it, and it has these big buttons, and like, oh, I just love it. I wish it was kind of like a different color because I don't wear pink very much. Okay, this Alexander Wang top, which is like so cool. It's kind of like a subversive basic, and then it has like black lace at the bottom, and like I said, all of this stuff is literally going to start at $1, and then it's like auction style. This sweater, which I'm so sad I'm parting with, it's vintage XOXO. I got this at an estate sale, and it's literally so hot. It's just like a little bit itchy, so if you're not into that, if you're not into like itching for the fashion, this isn't for you. But if you're down for the itch, you can do it. It's really not that itchy. I'm just like really sensitive, so it bothers me too much. This top, which I love so much, it's literally a one-of-a-kind top that I've given so much wear to. It's brown one shoulder. It's like a reworked t-shirt that says me all over it. This really cute little Route 66 denim mini skirt. Another really fun little mini skirt. This one's very like Danielle Guzio's new like sequin skirt that she's doing. I love her stuff. This little sparkly A buyer top, oh, I love this too, but this one again is also kind of like a little scratchy. Not too scratchy to wear for like your average human, but for me, it's too scratchy. Oh my god, this I picked up the other day, and I was just like, wow. Okay, so the tag says another time, and then it's just this amazing top. Someone should pick this up for like the holiday season. It's got little demand straps, and then it's kind of like upside down triangle point. Oh my god, and then it's straight across. Like, this is so hot. That's so hot. I think this is like a large. I think this is like a large. It says medium, but I think this would fit like a medium or large. And then I just have, you know, some pants. We've got some good like cargo pants. We've got these Meow sport sweatpants, which are like usually very expensive off. So literally gonna be starting at $1. These pants, which are so hot, they're by Spicewear. And I wore them in Vegas and they're like tight and hot and have this built-in belt. This little like cargo dress moment. I'm also gonna keep an eye while we're out at the thrift store today for a couple of things for you guys to add into the sale, maybe to add into the giveaway. Maybe we'll find some really exciting stuff for the giveaways. So if you want to come to the Whatnot sale, you absolutely should. I wanna hang out with all of you guys. You can download Whatnot with the link down below and it'll actually give you $10 towards your first purchase on Whatnot. So you can use that towards your purchase on the sale, and follow my page over there so you guys get notified when the sale is happening this Wednesday at 5 p.m. PST. I will be there. Everything you saw here plus more will be starting at just $1, and it's all gonna go towards a good cause. Like I said, Beauty to the Streets was last month's organization that we donated all the profits from the stream to. I haven't chosen an organization or charity for this month yet because I want to ask you guys on my Instagram this week. So if you want to participate in that, if there's a charity or like cause organization that's really near and dear to your heart, I'm gonna be asking that. So make sure to follow me, watch out for that post. I will update you guys on the stream live what charity or organization we chose. But yes, thank you to Whatnot for sponsoring this video and being such a fabulous long-term partner. Let's go get our thrift on. I'm literally so excited. The only sad thing is we can't bring Freddie with us today, but I always miss him when we leave. I think that's like a new dog mom thing. By the way, I haven't even updated you guys on dog mom life. It's amazing. I love it. I have the most perfect dog in the world. Someone asked me like for an update on Freddie's personality. He is calm, he is precious, he is sweet as motherfucking pie. I love him so much. What is he even doing out here? I don't know. Freddie! Oh, I just love him so much. Okay, let's get ready to go to the thrift. This is very cute. I'll have to try it on. Look at this jacket. I feel like I have to try it on. It's giving Ashley Tisdale. It's giving Teen Vogue 2014. Wait, I love these so much. They're giving like Gap 90s, but I don't like that they're scrunched to the bottom, so I'm gonna chop off the bottom so they're like a flare moment. Oh my gosh. Is there another one of these?
Oh my gosh, that's a small shoe.
I just found Diesel boots and they're awesome, but I need to find the other boot. Shit. Okay, let's find this boot. I'm literally fishing through all of these right now. Update on the Diesel boot. I still haven't found the second one. This baby right here was giving me like ballet dance vibes, but it's also giving me scary high school vibes. And I can't decide if I want to like style it with leg warmers or not. But I do like the color, this like mauve pink. We'll see. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at it. It's like New York graphic. I wish it wasn't V-neck, but honestly I don't care. The whole back is cut out, and I feel like with a black mini skirt, this is very, very cool. This is just like a good plain basic taupe tee. You know, need a basic tee always. Looks like the fit will be good. Okay, I think this dress is definitely gonna go in the Whatnot sale because it looks a little big for me. It might fit me. I'll try it on when I get home, and it's stunning. I don't even know if you guys can like fully tell. Like, look at the color. Oh my god. I literally love the short sleeve shimmy shake top so much. It's leopard print, red flowers. I might have to get this one just for my collection because it's not really like the energy I'm looking for fall. Oh my god. And then all together, sitting together, I found this gray and pink off the shoulder top. It's so cute. I think it has like a pocket. Love it. And then this slip dress that I feel like someone would maybe want. It's vintage for Valentine's Day. I don't know. We'll see. And then this vintage Forever 21 off the shoulder Ashley Tisdale Pieces of Me. Another one to add to my collection. Old Forever 21, old mall brands in general just stay coming through and slaying. Okay, I kind of dig this blazer. It just has like the one button that cinches and it's like tight. And it's like pinstripe. I feel like I'm gonna get this. I haven't bought myself a new blazer in a while. And I feel like fall calls for a couple. I just need to find the boot. Guys, I sent Tyler on a mission to look for the boot and he couldn't find the boot. No one can find the boot. Okay, so you need to tell me if this jacket's cool or if I'm just like thinking too much of my youth.
It's giving me some like, hold on, let me see it.
You're thinking band, aren't you?
No, well kind of. Maybe like Lizzie McGuire in Band and she gets made fun of for her like cool jacket that's not cool yet.
But maybe now it's cool.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, I don't know.
So it's a yes.
If that's how you perceive that answer, then yeah.
I think that is how I perceive that answer. Okay, these capris. Like for the whatnot sale, not for me, because honestly, I'm not a tight capri girl these days, but I do think they're so cute. I just like more of a cargo capri these days, but I do like the split crack booty, and I do like these pockets. What do we think? Well, the last two things I found are this white skirt and this. I love this. And this one is by Necessary Objects, which is one of my favorite brands to thrift. And this skirt is adorable.
Oh, this week we have that.
Okay, we just pulled into Savers, and how long do you think it's been since we've been here?
Months.
Like months and months and months, because Savers has gotten crazy cuckoo bananas with their prices. But I need to check for some stuff in the home decor section here for a little project, and I'm gonna also peek around, you know, of course, the clothes, the accessories. They always have really good shoes here. I wonder if the jackets are out, the Halloween section. Woo. Okay, in Savers, looking honestly crazy, but I did find some stuff. Found this sweater. I don't need it. I just wanted to show it to you guys because it's pretty Y2K fabulosity. I thought this would be so cute for one of you guys for fall, this dress with like the straight across neck. And I feel like these colors are just very fall with like a boot. These are for the project I told you guys I needed stuff for. And this is one of my literal favorite things I found all day. It's a poodle sweater. And we just found out that our little Freddy baby is part poodle, so I'm gonna get this for sure. And then I found this skirt as well, but I don't think I'm gonna get that. And then I found these UGG shoes that I need to try on. They are in fact too big, but they are very, very cute. So we're gonna leave them behind for someone else to score. Okay, I just stumbled upon this bad boy on the way out. And this is coming for the whatnot sale. This is gorgeous. I feel like this silhouette would slay on one of you. Okay, so we have things to detag and to throw in the damn washing machine. I have everything that I got at Goodwill to show you guys, and then the stuff that I picked up at Savers as well. Like I said, I need to get this stuff in the washer ASAP while it's free right now, and before Mr. Freddy here starts getting into all the hot ass finds. But what I'm gonna do so you guys can get an idea of how these pieces would look on or how I might style them, I'm gonna like lay over try on clips. On top of this little very, very fast haul, let me grab my laundry basket. Okay, now let's get into the goodies. Also, my eyes are watering. I cannot be sure why. I don't know. I have the sniffles. Okay, first up, these things. Oh my God. You guys saw I sadly did not find the diesel boots, which was really depressing. So I had to leave behind, but I did find these, which are like a almost like Miu Miu Margiela Balenciaga mashup of a fall shoe. It's kind of like my take on the ballet core vibe, kind of taking that style and making it my own, making it a little edgier. These were $7.99. I ended up getting these pants that I showed you guys because they were giving me very 90s Gap, like I said, but we are gonna chop off the bottom. You guys will see how that looks right here. I got the floral halter dress, which I think, I don't know, I haven't tried it on yet, but you know, come to the whatnot sale on a Wednesday and maybe it will be in there, maybe it won't. It probably will, because what do I need with this gorgeous dress? What do I need with it? What do I need with it anyway? I did get the green like band style jacket, like marching band, but also very Teen Vogue style jacket. This I think is gonna be quite a hit. If not, it'll be in the whatnot sale. This is something for the animal print project. This is a just like plain sleeveless high neck rib top. It's vintage, it's really worn in. I just thought it would make for like a really, really good basic. It was $2.99. Oh, I mean, the Necessary Objects mini skirt, stunning, stunning, stunning. I feel like the lighting is so ass. When is the lighting not ass? Like very, very cute. I cannot wait to try this on. This was $5.99. this white one that's for the Whatnot sale because I think it's gonna be too small for me, but I love the little ruffle at the bottom. Also, it's vintage. It says At Last & Company Stretch, and it's just like a cute little white mini skirt. Again, I think this could really be styled for fall. It was also $5.99. Some of this stuff was on sale though, because they had like multiple color tags on sale. Here's just that plain kind of like taupey t-shirt. I don't even know if there's not even a tag in this. Something's telling me it's old Forever 21. I don't know, I'm just getting a feeling. This is definitely going in the Whatnot sale because it's not my size, but it's amazing. This cute little black, if you're into like very 90s supermodel off-duty basics, this is a great one. It's probably like a large, extra large, I want to say. It doesn't have the size tag on it, but it was $4.99 and it's gonna be in the Whatnot sale. Oh my god, this Madonna t-shirt that I found. Oh my god, I found this insane actual Madonna Drowned World Tour 2001 t-shirt. Like literally, like this is one of my favorite thrift finds in a long time. It was $2.49. Do you guys see that? I feel like for thrift prices these days, it's pretty insane to find an actual vintage tour tee for that price, so I'm very excited. Then I also got that black blazer, this one with like the big one button. I think this is gonna be so cute just as a top. It says it's by YS Fashion USA. I don't think I'm gonna wash this one. I think this is gonna go in my dry clean pile. And then of course the off the shoulder little gray and pink top. I'm excited to style this. I kind of want to do it with like a ribbon in my hair. I don't know. Get crazy. Okay, and then this baby right here, the old Forever 21, very Ashley Simpson top, and the New York like cool cutout back top. I don't know why I felt like this was necessary, but when I see a top that looks like this, it's hard for me to say no. Okay, then from Sevilla's, I got this belt just because I think it's giving very mud vibes, like vintage mud vibes, and I honestly just need a belt. Then all of this animal print fabric and sheets that are for an event my friend Amy and I are working on over at her studio downtown. Okay, last couple clothing things. The green dress that I showed you guys. This is so cute. I feel like, I don't know if the fit's gonna be any good on me, we'll see, but it's going to one of you guys regardless. Same with this. Oh, this is gonna be so cute in the Whatnot sale. I almost want to keep it, but I don't think I'm going to. It's adorable. It's by Faith Heart Passion. Very cute old tag. And then, okay, last two things. This skirt that I think is gonna go in the Whatnot sale. It's City DKNY. It's like bedazzled on the waistline and then has this amazing shape to it. Very, very hot for fall. Very, very hot for fall. So hot. It's burning me right now. And then my little poodle sweater. I'm very excited about this poodle sweater because, like I said, we just did our baby Freddie, who we adopted recently's DNA test, and it came back that he's mostly Chihuahua with a little bit of poodle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go through all of that stuff in the wash. Thank you again to Whatnot for sponsoring this video. Make sure to go download Whatnot using the link down below so you guys get $10 to your first purchase. And I will see you guys at the live stream on Wednesday. Love you guys so much. You are so perfect and fabulous just the way you are. And we're sending shimmies. Peace.